your PC in 2025. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is find your browser first, since that is where we will be downloading it from, and you can choose any of them. I'm going to be choosing Safari. You can see it's right there. Just tap here and open it. And once you do, what you need to do is just type in Valorant and press enter. Once you do, you can find this website right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you do, you have all of these options right there. You can just tap on play for free. It's right here. And now you just need to choose your platform. If you have a PC, Xbox, or PlayStation, since you're trying to download it for PC, just tap here and just create a Riot account. If you don't have one, but if you already do, then just tap on sign in and just enter your email, or you can just use your Google account, Apple account, Xbox account, Facebook. It's completely up to you. And that's all you really need to do. Once you create an account, you would have the option to download it. And there you go. That's all you really need to do. Just create an account and download the game. So that's how you download Valorant in your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.